In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create warm audience retargeting ad on Facebook, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have a website-based custom audience ready to use for retargeting people who already know your brand, which typically improves performance and lowers acquisition costs. Start by opening your browser and going to adsmanager.facebook.com. Make sure you're in the right ad account for your business and that you have the proper permissions. It also helps to have your website's pixel installed and receiving traffic, since this audience draws from that data. Once you're in Ads Manager, head to the Audiences area and open the Custom Audiences section. This is where Facebook groups people who've already engaged with you, like site visitors or video viewers, so you can speak to them differently than a cold audience. Next, click the option to create a new custom audience. A window will appear asking where you want your audience data to come from. Choose website as your source. This tells Facebook to use your pixel's website activity to build the audience. If your account has access to multiple pixels, double check that the correct pixel is selected so you're pulling data from the right site. Click next to move forward. You'll see settings related to how the audience is defined. Depending on your setup, you may notice options such as all website visitors, people who visited specific web pages, and a retention window that determines how many days of activity to include. If you're new to this, remember that a broader audience can help you start faster, and you can refine later as you learn what works. Keep things consistent with your campaign goals and privacy policies. Now add an audience name. Use a clear naming convention so everyone on your team understands who's in it at a glance. For example, include the source, intent, and time frame, like website visitors, all 30 days. If you plan to create multiple warm segments, consistent names will save time and reduce mistakes. Finally, click Create Audience. Facebook will begin populating it using your pixel data. New audiences often show as populating and may display limited size information at first. That's normal. As traffic comes in, the audience will grow and become available to target in your ad sets. That's it, you've just built a warm website custom audience that's perfect for retargeting. Use it to show tailored messages, reminders, or offers to people who've already interacted with your site. Keep an eye on size, recency, and relevance, and update the audience naming as your strategy evolves.